and today I will show you guys how to use Google Classroom. I know unfortunately because of the circumstances that are happening in today's world and COVID cases rising, children will have to use Google Classroom for a longer period of time on a day-to-day basis. So today I will be showing you guys how to use Google Classroom. It's very simple and easy, so let's begin. So first type in Google Classroom. And press enter on your computer or enter on any other device that you're using. And usually it's either on the first tab or the second tab. Right now it's on the second tab and it says Google Classroom on it. So press that. Usually you will get your email account on the top that says email, and then you also will get the statement that says to put your password in. For example, I will show you guys. So here's your Google account. Usually you have a Google account that says your school, like mine says right here on the top. And the account that is given to you by the school is controlled by the school, and all your assignments and work will be on this specific email only, not on any other account and email that you have that is just a one that you created yourself. This one's specifically created by your school. You will also have a password that's either given to you by your class or your teacher, or it's a password that you're created yourself. So now that we have that off our hands, I will show you guys how to use Google Classroom. So there's a to-do and a calendar. And then we also have the main menu right here. So for most likely, when you first make your Google Classroom account and you put in all the information that is given to you by your school, you will most likely have classes that already have gotten your information and all of your assignments in. All you have to do is that you have to join the classes because your teachers have already invited you to the class. So most likely you will have like a blue icon that says join on right here where I'm clicking, and all you have to do is press join so you can enter the class that you were assigned for this year. Or if unfortunately you don't have the classes or your teacher hasn't invited you yet and you got a code from your teacher or from the school, all you have to do is press the plus sign right here that says join class on the top right corner. And all you have to do right here, it says right here on the second box below, it says ask your teacher for the class code and then enter it. You just press the class code. I'm going to put random numbers and then press enter. Join right here. Usually your class code is 5 to 7 letters or numbers, and there's no spaces or symbols. And if you need any help, trouble joining the class, go to Help Center article. So all your classes will be right here on the first page of Google Classroom. And on the top left corner of Google Classroom, there was a to-do list and a calendar list. Your to-do list, if you press it, is all of your classes. If you press all of your classes, you could see all of the classes that you have. You can pick a specific class that you would like to see all your assigned, missing, and done work. So for example, I'm going to pick my math class, college statistics. You press that, and it's only your specific class that you have picked. So it's either your assigned work, which is all of these works that are assigned that either have no due dates but you have to do, or they're still not due yet and they have the specific days that they're due. So right here, my homework for 2.5 is due tomorrow at 11:59 p.m. And all of these have no due dates, but most likely you will have work to have due dates that either say tomorrow or next week or any day that your teacher has specifically assigned it for. The next one has the missing work. Missing work is work that you haven't done, that you have to do, that you need to do because you haven't done the work. So For example, I have this homework 2.4 that was due today at 1 p.m., so I have to do that today. Or last week, if you have any work that you have to be due that was due that you haven't done. And then done has all the work that you've done already that you don't need to do anymore. So this is all the work that you have done. So if you need any work for like a test or studying or information that you just need for the class, all you have to go is on your done page and all the information will be here. So that's your to do. It will also have the other classes that you have. Or you can also go to all classes and all the work that you have due will be right here for done, missing, and assign. Now, if you go back to your menu, you press classes and you will go back to the main page where all your classes are. You can also press your classes and you'll also get the same information. So Stream has all the comments that your teacher has posted or class comments that you need for information that could either tell you when the tests are due or when any like homework or assignments are due, or if she has any information that she wants to give forward to you guys, it will most likely be on this stream. Any attendance check, for example, if your teacher is absent, will most likely be on the stream. So, yeah. Classwork also is right here too. So if you have any classwork that you have to do or any classwork that you need for studying, will be right here on the classwork. And people are just the people that are in your class. So if you need anything from them, they will be right here. After you do classes, there is a calendar. If you press the calendar, all the dates of the assignments that you need to do or are due will be on the calendar. So you could press to go on November 29th or December or forward of the year just to see all the assignments that you need to do. You could pick a specific classroom that you want to ultimately see. Like, for example, I'll pick my social studies class and I see that I have homework due on Friday the 13th last week, and if I go forward, it says that I have homework due the 23rd of November. And yeah, a calendar is super easy to use. And now I'm going to show you guys how to go into your Google Meets. So, for example, I'll be going into my forensics class. Usually, there will be a Google Meet code. I will pick another classroom because she doesn't have one. Let's pick statistics again. Usually, you will have either a Google Meet right here. They will put it on top on the stream, usually on the day of the class. All you have to do is click on the Google Meet. It says meetgoogle.com. Press on it. And it will take you to the Meet. Right now, since she's not available, the Meet won't work. Or, for example, here you have a code. So for the code, you would just have to go on the website Google Meet. You could just press on Google Meet, and then just put in the code. For example, I'll put in this code, and then just press continue. And then, unfortunately, it's not working, so you can go into the Meet like that. Or, as I said, you can also, for example, I'll be going into my music theory class. You can also press on the music theory, the link that's on top of your banner, on top of stream. Press on it, and it will ultimately also take you to your Meet. Also, if you need work, if it's work, also you can also press this icon right here that says all your assignments and work that is due for that specific class. It says open your work for this specific class. You also have Google Apps right here. So if you press on that, all your apps that you have for Google will be here too. So if you need to go to your docs or sheets or slides, you just have to press right here and then press on that. If you also need to go on Google Meet, you just press this icon also and it will take you to a Google Meet so you can put in the code. Or if you have to use a Google Doc or Sheets or any site, you can also go there too. Google Classroom is very simple to use, and I hope this benefits you so you could have a better understanding of Google Classroom. And thank you for spending your time watching this video. And I hope everyone stays safe and have a nice day. Thank you.